Alright, so we just got some iced coffee at Sock Cafe. I thought I might as well vlog now. Didn't have the gusto to do it, but I'm gonna drive the rest of the length to the beach. Let's go to a place called Baler. Yo, car, I'll drive, bro. Okay. Alright then, just got it, I suppose. So, stop over. No, you're good, bro. Stop over time. So I should have peed. Oh, look at that. So, real quick. We stopped over because I needed to pee. I just peed to side Nang Road. What I meant by that is I just peed on the side of the road, and a few meters down we stopped over at a gas station, at a petrol station. So what are the odds of that happening? Sick basketball court right here. I don't know if you saw it, but we're roughly an hour away now, so I'm quite excited. I don't know if it's going to be a surfing venue, but if there is an option to surf, I think I might go for it. But I think surfing is like 6 a.m. in the morning, early morning surfing. So let's go. We have arrived. The destination is Baler, Aurora. The beach is walking distance. Amazing. With these kind of road trips, I always set myself low expectations so that when I get to the venue or wherever we need to get to, it is amazing. So where the coach or the massive bus is reversing out from is roughly, I don't know, not even a 5-minute walk, and there's a beach right behind there. So on the cards right now is lunch, because I didn't have breakfast. I really only had an iced Americano, which was tainted heavily in sugar. And what do I want for lunch? I don't know what I want for lunch, but I know I need lunch. So I think the best option is to walk on the beach and then find local cuisine or island food. And yeah, we'll just get our stuff situated and our room, because check-in is in 2 hours. So it's currently midday 12. Check-in is at 2 p.m. so to kill time, but valuables first, right? So see you when I see you. Waves, jeez. So apparently you can surf later, which I might try. But so I was sent on a side quest to check for restaurants on the beach, but man, look at that, there's nothing on the beach. Well, I mean, there's no restaurants on the beach, so we have to go back into the mainland or the main streets. see. I'm only gonna walk this far. Okay, yep, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So this, my friends, is one of those beaches where it's better to bring and barbecue. As I see people over there grilling, most likely fish, fresh fish, and the kiddie favorite cheesy hot dogs. And it's hot dogs, guys, not literal, you know. But yeah, check out that view. Jeez, that is a view. I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. We are at a bar and grill, so fittingly, we're going to have grilled food, liempo, which is grilled pork, and grilled chicken, and I think chop suey, so there's a bit of vegetable mixed in there, and the staple rice. So family is a gift, guys. I'm just saying that because it's written there. So I'll see you when we're eating. Peace. Oh.
Tapsipan.
Opo. Saka yung pahabol pa po. Patikim din po ako.
Easy. Kailan yung baboy? Gulay.
The mission now is to find, so we have a ghetto shower, meaning it's a wet shower, and we don't have toilet tissue, so the mission now is to find toilet tissue and potentially get a coffee. So initially we were gonna get a brown sugar boba. I need to buy chinelas somewhere. Chinelas is slippers, footwear for the beach. Yeah. And right now we're headed to a bake shop. Pretty sick, man. Looks nice. Check out the scenery. I'm enjoying myself so far. I'm trying my best not to rest and just gallivant. So let's check it out. I believe this is called a Vietnamese drip, so condensed milk underneath and then almost like a French press at the top. Almost, not French press. Excuse me, but what would you call this? So I think I just wait for it. Okay. Nasa ibabaw, ano po siya?
Espresso.
And it's just dripping.
Yeah.
Oh damn. How do I know when it's ready, po?
Just check na lang po.
Ito?
Yes.
Okay. That is so sick. Can you? Oh, so it's like a French? No, the brewing one. Ano po siya? It's the one that a metal one as well, but it brews up. I should know this. Right, it seems as if it's filtered out, the coffee's filtered out. This is only a single shot, including the condensed milk. It's amplified, so I should I shouldn't really mix it, but I want to try it without mixing. Cheers. Mix it. Are you supposed to mix it? That's so sick. Oh, that is so sick. I feel like I'm gonna have pho after this. That's Vietnamese, right? Pho. Wow. Imagine English tea. This is what English tea looks like. Oh man, I just made it. Oh, that tastes good. Oh my goodness. But you need to try this. Oh my goodness. 5 out of 5. Yeah, in other words, 10 out of 10. Vietnamese drip. Yeah, Vietnamese drip. This is roughly £2 for this. Creative, first time I've seen it. I'll be back here, Island Life, Baler. Now I think it's time to find slippers and bubble tea. Lovely, some sweets. So we've finished our expedition finding coffee and bubble tea. All successful. Who knew Chopper Chops did gummies? Love gummies, man. Especially sour ones. Quick taste test. It's alright. Like strawberry dreams. But we're gonna head back to the room and chill. Might see you tonight, might not. Apparently, I'm banking on it being busy during the evening. Apparently, the nightlife is good here, so check it out later because we're gonna eat dinner, right? See you then, hopefully. If I don't, peace. I should be asleep, but I'm fairly restless right now. I feel as if I should be doing something with this time, but as you can see, the waves. I mean, I could just walk on the beachfront, on the sand, and then I don't have slippers and my shoes. I don't want to walk back barefoot. Apologies for the audio, by the way. It's really windy and gusty. I haven't felt Philippines. Pause. It's refreshing to feel the wind of the Philippines. Usually it's hot, it's humid, uncomfortable, but this is a different look. It's a different vibe, and you've got to love Philippines. You've got to love Philippines. I literally done a 180 turn, and look, you have young baby coconuts. You got young baby coconuts there, so yeah, man, I'm enjoying this Baler trip so far. Baler. Wish you guys were here.